For Christmas, I got this amazing gift, 2 moles per litre. It's very commonly known that chemists use moles, but we do use it in physics all the time as well. I always wondered why it was called the mole. It was coined by Ostwald from the German word molecule, basically a terminology for a bunch of particles in a certain amount of space. 1 mole contains exactly 6.022 by 10 to the power of 23 molecules of whatever substance we're talking about, or otherwise known as Avogadro's number. Avogadro was born on the same day as me. So he's a scientist I resonate with a lot. He was known for being quite shy, and he never really pushed his research or his understanding of gases, their relationship, chemistry. He wrote down meticulous notes and explanations, but because he was a physicist and he was in the realm of chemistry, a lot of his work was not recognized. In fact, it was only after his death where his friend redistributed his work and showcased just what Avogadro was able to discover. The mole, as we still call it to this day, is an SI unit. In the past, the definition was 12 grams of carbon-12. However, after the 2019 revision of the SI units, everything had to go back to a constant rather than a physical object. We couldn't rely on the 12 grams of carbon anymore. So they simply sat down one day and defined what it was by a sheer number, and it was 6.022 14076 by 10 to the power of 23 molecules, or elementary entities. It was quite controversial at the time to actually push this to be an SI unit anyway, because it's not a unit, it's a dimensionless quantity. Really what it is a parametric base quantity. Regardless, the mole is a very important quantity, and it is used in physics, especially in thermodynamics, mechanics, fluid mechanics, and of course, most people who do get any degrees in applied physics will be interdisciplinary and will need to know a good bit of physical chemistry. Am I against the mole being an SI unit? No. I actually think it's a fantastic unit to have, and it's a very interesting discussion because ultimately it's arbitrary. We humans made up this system of units. And yes, we can argue that it's not exactly a unit. Regardless what your opinion is, enjoy your 7 SI-based units.